We name it test object. I'm going to give the name, let's say John, and we give an address as USA. So I create another object, test object 2, which is name, let's say David, and I'd say address, let's say UK. Okay. Now I have used where. So if I want to assign test object 2 to test object 1, I can do that. And if I want to print now test object dot name, so let's make it up a little bit, and if I run this, I see it is David, because test object it has John, but now it is saying David because I'm able to assign this completely into test object. But what if I use constant? Will it allow me to assign? Let's check it. It's not allowing me when I use constant, so it is saying assignment to a constant variable. But if I want to change the value of the property, let's say test obj2 dot name equals to Jennifer, I put it inside double quotes. Let's see what happens. And if I run it, I'll say test obj.name, because it is constant. So does it protect our values? No. So even if I'm using constant for test obj, it does not protect the value of the properties. So how can I make sure that the properties are protected? So if it's a variable, you cannot change the values using constant, but in object you can. Even if it's constant, you can do that. So the only way to do it is there is something called Object.freeze, and inside that you can give test obj. And now if you run the code, and you have to give it before this assignment, obviously. And so now if you run the code, you say it's still giving John, it did not change it to Jennifer. So it's kind of like freezing the values. And if you want to make it more sure, you can use strict. So giving use strict, like you're making a strict checking, and in that case it will, before changing, it will give you an error, and that error is, you can see that an object dot anonymous, so it is preventing to change the value. So this is how we can protect the values. So that's all. Thank you.